Whoa. What up, boys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. For today's video, guys, we're going to be working on the E92 M3. Like you guys seen on the floor, there's something special for this car that I've been waiting to install for the longest, guys. I literally found them on Facebook Market yesterday and I had to buy them, guys. They're literally brand spanking new. We're gonna be installing the GT4 E92 M3 Canards, carbon fiber Canards, guys. Look how beautiful this freaking Canards look. And they're crazy, bro. I think they only take 3M tape or something. This is pretty much how it's gonna look, guys. A lot of you guys been asking me when is the next E92 M3 video. So here it is. Here it is, guys. Here's a beautiful E92 M3. 350Z's over there. I don't know if you guys can see it all covered up. But that car will have some crazy mods soon, guys. Very, very soon. I already have the exhaust little tips right there so I can do the setup and everything. I am really excited with my projects. I just haven't been filming, guys, because I have no time. Literally no time. I literally just got out of work. I'm literally starting the vlog or this video very, very late. I wasn't trying to do that, but it's all good, guys. It's gonna be a little video just installing these little Canards on the E92 M3. And after this, guys, we're gonna be going to do a little point of view video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, please leave a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. It's free, guys. All right, boys, well, let's get the double-sided tape and the knife. Whoa, that was freaking close. It gave me a little mini heart attack right now. Right here, double-sided tape and a knife. Whoa, that was close again. But I am so excited, guys. I really want to see how this car looks with this crazy GT4 Canards. It's gonna look freaking crazy. It's literally gonna change the entire look of the car. I know that for a fact, bro. Look how beautiful it looks, guys, under this lighting. But the lip is freaking cracked. Literally, look at this. It's all cracked up. But it still looks freaking new. And I had this lip before I bought the car, guys. How crazy is that? I literally manifested myself buying this car. And like I told you guys in all my videos way back then, I will own an E92 M3 one day, and here it is. You guys can too. If you guys have that crazy goal, go for it and just work. Like right now, guys, myself, I have 2 jobs. That's why I have no time to make videos for you guys, but I will be making time very soon. Just let me, you know, get some more money so I can fund the crazy builds on this car and the crazy build on the 350Z, because 350Z, it might look good or I might sell it. I don't know. If you guys want to buy it, comment down below. I just have a crazy idea with it, but I just don't have the fundings. Like I said, smash the subscribe button. You guys can possibly make that happen, the dream build happen. We might even put a V8 E92 M3 motor in the 350Z or LS swap. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned though. But enough talking, let's get to installing. Let's put the double-sided tape and let's try to make it as perfect as we can, because I am not a professional. I'm just Goofer Vlogs installing things to this car. And I will be getting a crazy livery, well, not a livery, but a Goofer Vlogs name on the side of the car. I'm gonna put it right here and let me know what you guys think. If it's a good idea, looks bad, or it looks ugly, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments. The YouTube name, guys, it needs to be on the side of the car, like a big YouTube name on the car, because yes, the little window sticker is not gonna do anything. It's not gonna expose us anywhere. So we're gonna need a crazy big name on the side of the car with our name, Goofer Vlogs, and it's gonna be big. Like this entire thing right here is gonna be covered with a Goofer Vlogs decal. Oh man, this thing's gonna look sick, boys. Bro, this is gonna look so sick, man. And it's the same weave of my carbon fiber lip. Look at that. Ooh, it goes perfect right there. Yeah. That is wild how I'm cutting it, bro. I'm probably gonna take off the knife. Something.
A few moments later.
Actual knife. Oh, there you go. Boom. Just a knife. Just like that. Click it. Literally, I'm cutting it just how you wrap a car, pretty much. If you guys don't know how to install an E92 Canards on your E92 M3, guys, there you go. Today's the day. We're making a video for you guys about installing Canards on your E92 M3. Hopefully I'm doing it the right way. If not, then we're gonna have to put some screws on it so it won't fly out, and hopefully it doesn't fly out. I don't think it will, but you know, let's just be cautious. Yeah. Alright, there you go. You junk on it, but what can I do, guys? Let's bring you guys back over here. And let's put the first Canard on the car. Let's see how it ends up looking. I got one try only. I can't really fuck up, guys. If I fuck up, I am screwed. Well, first fuck up of the day, guys. I completely forgot to clean the surface. Alright, boys. Well, let's do this. No garbage in it. Ooh. Well, literally all you guys need is double-sided tape, and just buy yourself some Canards. Ooh, bro, that gave the car an entire different look. We gotta go to the gas station after this, guys, and get you guys a better point of view on how it looks. It looks freaking amazing. Now let's do the other side. It's really simple, guys. It's so easy to do. Like, literally, it's so easy to do. All I gotta do is just put this one right here, make it flush just like the other one, and then we are chilling. Yeah. I'll catch you guys when I'm done with this. You guys already seen how I install that. All you guys need is a double-sided tape, a knife, and the Canard, and that's pretty much how it's looking. It's looking wild. I've always wanted those. Finally got them, guys. I am so excited. Literally just got off work, tired, worked at, literally woke up today at 6 in the morning, well 5 in the morning, started work at 6, and then got off, went to my second job, and I'm barely off. It's literally 7, and, well, it's already 8:16, my little baby boy right there, so cute. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I'm done installing that one. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Boys, well, I am all done. Really, I just been lazy. I just haven't had the time, and today was the day, guys. Literally, I bought them yesterday and installed them today. Made some time for you guys. Literally, I just got out of work, like I said earlier. But for right now, let's take the car for a drive. Yeah, we're gonna do a point of view for you guys, and then we're gonna be going to a gas station, fill up the car, show you guys the outside, how it looks with the Canards. And let me know what you guys think. If it looks amazing, drop a big thumbs up. And yeah, all you guys need is double-sided tape. But I might just put some self-topper screws right there just to like protect it a little bit more. But I think that's gonna be enough. I don't know. Comment down below. What do you guys think? Is it gonna hold? Is it not gonna hold? But bro, it looks so freaking different now. Now in the rear, all we need is a rear diffuser. Yes, guys, a bottom plate rear diffuser for the E92 is coming soon, very soon. Just trust the process, guys. Literally, the car is turning into an amazing machine. The 350Z is gonna look crazy. I keep saying E36, man. I regret selling my car so badly, guys, so badly. I miss my car so much, but we got this one. Haha. But enough talking. Let's go to the gas station. Let's get a point of view for you guys. Smash a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys when I start driving off. Let's get it. Full on difference, man. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but bro, look how beautiful it looks. All right, let's get to the gas station. I'm gonna show you guys how crazy this Canards look on this beautiful E92 M3. I was gonna use my GoPro, guys, but my GoPro does not want to start right now. Like, does not want to turn on. So let's just film with this big ass camera, and yeah. Let's put it on sport mode and let's get going, boys. So literally looks like a Christmas tree right now. I'm sorry, guys. The brake light, I literally need new brake pads. The fuel, I need fuel. The check engine soon thingamajig, that's just because of the exhaust, and then the tire monitor, and then the my dynamic mode. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna open the entire windows because then you guys not gonna be able to hear it. But oh my god, this freaking downshifts, guys, they're freaking mental. Literally, this car sounds freaking amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more late content, guys, because I will be filming more crazy content with this car and the 350Z. But right now, enjoy this little point of view for you guys. I need to get the GoPro running, guys. This just sucks, boys. I have to use my vlogging camera to do a point of view video for you guys. I know it was horrible. I am sorry, guys, but this is what we gotta do with. We gotta deal with now. But yeah, let's get to the gas station right there, cause I got no fuel, boys. Like literally, like no fuel. And that gas station right there has the crazy lighting, bro. Look how crazy bright that thing looks. That's why I chose this gas station than my regular gas station, because my regular gas station, guys, it does not have the clearest or brightness of a lighting. Or it's so windy out here though, like it's crazy. Ooh. Alright, let's park right in the middle. Oh my god, we're here. Alright, boys, well, let's turn off this beauty. Well, see, told you guys I need brakes. I really need everything. Oh my god, bro. You guys ready to see the Canards? Whoa, look how crazy the front end looks now. Oh my god. It looks insane, bro. This is what the car needed. The car needed this Canard, so it would look insane. Now I can't stop looking at it. Looks like a different car. Look how beautiful it looks, bro. But yeah, let's fill up the car and then we'll take some reels, some pictures on the car. But that looks amazing. Jeez. Actually, let's get my phone first. I just hopped out with like no wallet, no nothing, bro. Sir, I left my phone in the house, but that's fine, guys. That's all right. You got the wallet. Put you guys right here. Yeah, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. This is gonna be a little short video because yeah, I literally just got out of work and I didn't have anything to do, so I just decided to install the little Canards on the car. The car looks freaking amazing now. Look how beautiful it looks, bro. Oh my god, it's insane, guys. Crazy. Receipts. All right, that's it, boys. Alright, boys. Well, you guys seen how crazy the Canards look. It looks crazy. I didn't bring my phone. I left it at home, but it's all good. We'll get another chance to take some reels of the car. And yeah, I literally left my phone at the house, bro. Crazy, but actually, let me take a thumbnail of the car before we leave. Alright, boys. Well, like you guys seen, I need brake pads. I can't be driving this car like that, boys. I can't. But he still brakes though. Oh my god.